FP&A teams know that AI tools like Claude are about to change the game in Excel. But the real value comes when AI is working with trusted, connected Vena data, not just isolated spreadsheets. Here's how to do hours of OPEX planning in minutes by combining Vena with Claude in Excel. Let's say I'm preparing a planning review, and I want to quickly assess my OPEX data. I start by opening my Vena OPEX template, which launches directly in Excel, fully connected to our underlying financial data. I use my default selections, let the report populate, and jump into 2026. Now I bring in Claude. I ask it to look for anomalies and add cell comments. It quickly scans my dataset and flags key areas. Here's a notable low point. Here it identifies missing forecast data, and this month shows unusually high spend. So instead of manually digging through the data, I immediately know where to focus. With that context, I can move straight into planning. I ask Claude to create an ML plan for the empty accounts in 2027. It identifies accounts that need to be filled in, populates the values directly in the grid, and even adds comments explaining the logic behind the plan. Next, I switch to my vendor data. I can see a few vendors are missing descriptions, so I'll ask Claude to fill those in. It finds the gaps, backfills them, saving me another manual step. And this is where it all comes together. Because I'm working in a Vena connected template, I can save everything directly back to Vena through the Vena connector. That means my updates are written back to the source of truth with full audit trail automatically captured. Claude is incredibly powerful, but it's even more valuable when it's working with a trusted, connected Vena database inside Excel. That's how finance teams move faster without sacrificing control. Want to see what this looks like in your own workflows? Visit venasolutions.com/Vena-AI to learn more.